Although Hermès recommends that you use dry cleaning for these scarves, I've been hand washing them, and also I know many people use hand washing as well, using very gentle detergent, washing detergent, or baby shampoo. The important part is to use lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold, and rinse the soap out very thoroughly. Be careful not to twist or wring your material. Just gently rinse it out, and then use a towel to roll dry the scarf. I usually lay it down on flat towel and also pat it with another towel on top. Once it's semi-dry, I very gently iron it on the back side of the scarf. You can also use a tea towel or a piece of cotton fabric to buffer the contact of the scarf and with the iron. I used a very low setting, as you can see, on the iron. Like to learn a new technique. Here I am doing a hem roll. The edges of many silk scarves are done using a rolling method, a hem rolling method. And the key is to find really good needle, pointed, lightweight needles, and also to find the correct matching thread in color. Here I am. My husband is filming for me, so excuse the going in and out. The key is really to wet your finger as you roll the hem. And I don't do a perfect job, but at least I could get the edges rolled up and I'm able to sew it. So here I am repairing a scarf that was never hemmed. So I'm finishing it up. And here's the finished product. I was able to get all the edges hemmed, and it looks pretty good. Practice, practice, practice. Now I am going to share my favorite 4 Hermès scarves. This first one, I love the pattern and the idea behind the design. They're actually cutout patterns of dressmaking. I love the gray borders with the edging is in orange, and the design itself has a lot of primary colors. I really like the design, that it's whimsical. I think it is quite a clever design and quite unique. I know some people purchase Hermès scarves as investment. I don't have that kind of thinking. I enjoy them, and I enjoy owning them and wearing them occasionally. So it's not, to me, it's just pretty artwork or pretty pieces of clothing that I enjoy wearing, and I treat myself once in a while. The second one is a 90 centimeter silk scarf. I picked this particular scarf because I was looking for something in blue, in light blue, and I also like the pattern and the simplified pattern of a very traditional Hermès design. So I love the graphic of this, and the border has quite a different blue other than the light blue. The edge is in a darker blue, almost a teal kind of a blue color. I was also really into that mustard yellow, but the combination of a light yellow and the mustard really sold me on this particular scarf. I love lighthouses. It's also about the ocean, sailing, and the colors are lovely in this scarf. It's also a 90 centimeter and it has the black border. It came in different colorways, but I was able to get this one on the secondary market and at a pretty good price. So I was really happy. Look at that beautiful kind of a soft orange, creamy orange. I just love the color combination of this particular scarf, and everything is just so pretty about it. And I also love, again, the lighthouses in the middle of the, or the center of this design. So out of the four, this last one that I am showing you is my favorite of them all. It's I got this on a secondary market. I was so happy to get this. I actually got it from overseas, and it is my favorite because of the mid-century sort of a design, the drawing, very soft blue. And look at the ladies. I just love this type of drawing, and so pretty. I buy these scarves because I really enjoy the artwork, and also there's so much history to it, and it's wearable. So I have fondness for these scarves and will probably continue to seek out ones that I do like. This is like a silvery kind of a light blue. It's hard to describe. I selected this because of the colorway, but as I looked around the design, I was so surprised to find all the cute animals that are throughout this picture. Perfect design. And I just went through it all looking for, there's a eagle and some birds, maybe a hawk, and then a squirrel. I was just so pleasantly surprised by all the hidden little animals that are incorporated in this beautiful storytelling design. And the colors are soft and lovely, and I don't have this colorway in my collection, so I'm just so happy to have chosen this. To store all my scarves, I simply lay them flat in my drawer, and that's how I store them. I love watching Hermès scarf videos on YouTube, and I hope that you had enjoyed watching this one. I'll put a link to my other Hermès scarf video in the description. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment. Let me know about your scarf collection. Bye!